Hey guys, welcome to Carpentry and me. I got a new nail gun. So, I decided to go gasless, and my decision was Hikoki. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. So the multivolts, they already come with a charge, but I'm going to fully charge them before I use the gun. On the bottom there's just a wee sticker showing that it's compatible with both 36 volt and 18 volt tools. I'm going to get one of these batteries charged up and let's see how this gun fires. I have used these guns before, and I actually thought that I remembered them being heavier, but they're not. They're actually pretty good, well balanced. One thing that I'm pretty interested in is using these in high span, which is a laminated timber here in New Zealand, because the PAS loads tend to struggle driving the nails in. Okay, so one battery's charged. Let's load her up and we'll give her a few test fires. So that's a feature that I actually really like with nail guns, is being able to drop the nails in and pull that straight over. It's something pretty simple, but judge. Yeah, it's actually the sound. It's actually pretty quiet. It's driven, what, 5 nails in straight away. I'll empty the rack. So I just emptied a whole rack and not a single one needs punch, so that's good considering the gun's brand new. Otherwise I'd be regretting my decision to buy it at this point, but that goes well. With the bigger battery, it's still not too heavy. It's pretty well balanced, so I don't want to be lugging around something that's super heavy. So yeah. Proper review. This is for personal use, that's why I bought it, because it is a big cost saving not paying for gas, and you want something reliable when you own it yourself. But for the sake of doing a review, I'll take it into work for 6 months, which is about how long we've got to do all our framing, and then I'll do a review. Thanks for watching.